Hello guys and welcome back to Unbox News. My name is Patrick Ago and this is the Twinny.
Hello guys, don't forget to check out the unboxmuse.com. We gather for you the best tech online in one place.
Only one place. Amazing. Thank you, Twinny.
Thank you.
And can you explain this popcorn? What about it?
Ooh, this is the pop. Who don't like popcorn, dude? When you want to go out with the girl, you know what I mean. Like you need to do like popcorn. Oh.
Yeah. What about this machine? Popcorn machine?
Yeah, this machine we can do popcorn. I will do it.
It makes so much noise.
So much noise.
Yes, it does.
All right, I will not do it. That's fine. Don't be like stupid idiot.
Oh.
Just do your unboxing.
Thank you, Twinny. So guys, today it's an amazing brand, EarFun Free. This brand, thank you so much guys for providing with this amazing product. So I have one giveaway for you guys. Stay till the end of the video to check how you can win this amazing product. And let's begin with the EarFun Free just right now. Alright guys, so this is the EarFun Free True Wireless Earbuds with the technology of the latest Bluetooth 5.0. Alright, but before I unbox it, you can see the EarFun UBOOM. This is the 360 Bluetooth speaker. It will be unboxed in another video, but I want to thank again this company. They provided me with the earbuds, two of them, one for you to win. Alright, and the second is the UBOOM, will be unboxed later in another video. But first I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and to stay till the end of the video so you know how to win this giveaway. Let's begin. So first, so again, this is the EarFun. As you can see here, it has the IPX7. The earbuds are waterproof, 100% waterproof. So let's unbox it this way. This EarFun case for the earbuds. You can see the logo on top. Down you have some LED lights and very light, and it used the USB Type-C. We move to the box. Here you can see the box, which I guess the USB cable. Alright, right here. So this is the ear tips with 3 sizes. So you buy one product and you have big, medium or small ears. So you can have this adapted to your ears. So S, M, L size for you. Convenience. Amazing. And the last are the earbuds. So you have the logo here on top, ear tips, right logo and left on this one, and the magnetic for charging in the case. You have the box. I want to tell you, by the way, the box is wireless charging. All right, I brought this power bank, wireless power bank. You put it and then you charge, and it wireless charging right here. This case can charge up to in 2 hours for up to 2.5 hours of use. Wireless charging in 2 hours. That's crazy. Left side and right side, and it's charging. You close it and it's charging. That's very convenient. So the case battery is 500 mAh and can charge up to 4 times your earbuds. So you take them, you use them, no more battery, you put them, you can charge it for 4 times. Okay guys, so now how you connect it. It's so simple, so easy. You have the earbuds in the box, in the case, you remove them, or you remove the right one, it's simple. You can put them in the ears, you open the Bluetooth, you can see the EarFun here, right here, and it's connecting. Alright, so now it's connected. And the sound quality, it's one of the top quality, like from Airpods or the Huawei Freebirds. Believe me, this quality, if you haven't tested, you should do it. Like, it's an amazing product. Alright, so this earbud doesn't have any touch technology because after they studied the market, EarFun, they told me that most of the people, they don't enjoy really the touch sensitive. It's so sensitive, and it's kind of right, like you miss it, or it's not really convenient. So the only thing that you can do is turn them on and just pause and play the music. I think it's enough to use them. And you can of course enter the phone call, and it has like a 15-meter listening distance, so you can be 15-meter far from your phone.
Hey, excuse me, can I ask you one, like, let's do some fun, you know? All right, this is amazing product. I'm okay. But can we have fun a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Can I throw you this in your mouth?
Oh yeah, of course.
It can be fun, isn't it? Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, we are the best. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, you will find the link in the description and the special amazing discount from the company EarFun just for you. So go in the link in the description, buy, and if you can guys, if you do it, just send me a picture or a video on my Insta. What the fuck? What are you doing? Don't tell me you...
No, don't worry. I will not turn it on.
You promise? Because you're crazy. So again guys, the link in the description, and enjoy it. Send me... Oh no, don't do...
I can't see.
I can't believe it. You're... No. Stop it. Philip, I'm doing the unboxing. Then I will stop it. I'll stop it? No. So anyway guys, again, this product is one of the best products. Don't forget, link in the description, special discount for you. So for now, for the amazing giveaway, what you have to do is very simple. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to, of course, follow us on Unbox News on Instagram. Twitter, you go for Twitter, follow us on Twitter. You get all the news. And just comment down below that you need to have this EarFun free. Use the hashtag EarFun free. That's amazing. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next week. Me and this muted sound guy, Twinny. Alright? Peace!